Today I want to show you this cool Lightning McQueen lights and sounds car from Cars 2 that I got at Walmart this week. It was normally $24.97 and they were clearing out some Cars toys, and this was marked down to $13.75. Mattel made 3 different lights and sounds cars. They made one of Lightning McQueen, Mater, and Francesco, and all of them have several different phrases and lights. Okay, here's Lightning McQueen out of the box. He's fully plastic and his details are stickers, including the piston cup logo on his hood, the 95 on his roof, the 95 in flames on his sides, and even the World Grand Prix sticker in the back here. They're all stickers. His tires are plastic, they're not rubber, and you can just push them to move. And to activate the lights and sounds, you just press this button, and it even has a little sticker just in the packaging that says press. Press the 95. You can see his lights light up here.
World famous race car.
They're kind of an orangish yellow color.
Oh, I'm not scared of Francesco. Ka-chow!
Good job.
See you at the race. Okay, wish me luck. Oh, I'm not scared of Francesco.
So he's got several sayings, and he is, let's measure him. He is about 9 inches long and about 4 inches wide. Pretty cool car. I'm sure any toddler or Cars fan would like it.
I'm a preeminent world famous race car. That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you and have a great day. Click here to watch my Angry Birds Hot Wheels video.